Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to simplify meeting scheduling using SugarConnect. We'll cover accessing the SugarConnect portal, syncing your meetings and contacts, and how to use the SugarConnect meeting scheduler for event types. Let's start by accessing the SugarConnect portal. The portal is a website available to all SugarConnect users as a supplement to the sidebar. It's where you enable calendar and contact sync and access the meeting scheduler. To access the portal, go to the Settings menu in the sidebar and select Open SugarConnect Portal. SugarConnect will sync meetings between Sugar and your preferred email calendar. After the initial sync, events assigned to you in Sugar will sync automatically. You'll know synchronization is complete once you see calendar synchronization initialized, with timestamps for the last sync and the enabled calendar. Now let's take a look at SugarConnect's built-in scheduling system. It provides a professional and convenient way to schedule meetings with prospects, customers, and anyone you need to meet with. Click on the scheduler in the left panel. You can create a custom landing page or specific event type that syncs with your primary or Sugar calendar and preferred business hours. The scheduler comes preloaded with 3 event types for standard 60, 30, and 15-minute meetings. You can copy the meeting link and paste it into an email, chat client, or other messaging service. You can edit an event type to configure its name, description, duration, minimum scheduled notice, and enable lead creation in CRM. You can also limit the days available for this event type. Set the availability by specifying the days and hours for invitees to choose from. Existing events on your synced calendar will automatically be deducted from available hours. Enable or disable availability for specific days, edit available hours, and add intervals to accommodate breaks or recurring meetings. Click Add Interval to set available times for days marked as unavailable. Add multiple time windows to a day if needed. You can delete event types or toggle their availability. To create a new event type, click Add Event Type. For example, create a Meeting with John event type for 30-minute meetings on Monday or Tuesday mornings. When you're ready to schedule a meeting, click the Copy Scheduler link icon for the relevant event type. The scheduler page URL will be stored in your clipboard, ready to paste into a message. The recipient will see your availability based on your synced calendar and the meeting type, and choose the best time for them. Booking a meeting, the invitee selects their preferred time, enters their personal information, and saves the meeting details. They'll see a confirmation screen and receive an email with the subject SugarConnect Confirm Booking Schedule. The meeting is scheduled once the invitee clicks the link in the confirmation email. You'll receive an automated email with the subject line starting with Booked Meeting. SugarConnect will add the meeting to your calendar with the status Busy. A formal invite is sent to the invitee, who can accept it and add it to their calendar. Thanks so much for watching.